4.
As you can see here, we're taking apart an iPhone 5 where it's extremely detailed in
iPhone 4,
everything that
yeah.
goes into it.
Is it
iPhone 4.
iPhone 4.
Yeah.
This is something you don't want to do on your own. Otherwise, you'll see where all these screws go, and you have to take out about anywhere from 7 to 15 screws. And if you happen to not put it back in the right spot, you're going to be left with quite the mess. CPR is able to take care of all of those so that you don't have the hassle. And you don't get stuck wondering what to do next.